Hi everyone, this is Saranya. In this video, we'll be seeing about the installation process of Prolog and how to print Hello World in Prolog. We know Prolog is a declarative and logical programming language, and Prolog is a short form of logical programming logics. So let's see how the installation process. Just type Prolog download and click Prolog downloads, and then based on your requirement you can download Prolog. I'm just downloading it for Microsoft Windows, and click I understand and download it. It just takes few minutes to download. After download process is over, you can just go to folder and then click this to install Prolog. And do you want to make changes, just give yes and then give next, and I agree, and create desktop icon, and you have to choose the second option here, and then next and next and next, and have to give install. So Prolog starts to install. After installing, you have to give finish. So now Prolog has been installed. You can see it here. So I am just clicking it and opening it. So now our task is to print Hello World. Hello World can be printed directly in the console event by just using one command, that is write command. So I'm just typing it, write, open parenthesis, write, type Hello World, and then each line has to end with a symbol, that is dot. So this dot represents that end of the line. So the hello world is being printed here. So this is one way to print hello world directly. So in this video we saw the installation process and how to print hello world directly in the console event. That's all for this video, and thank you.